Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a member from Trello. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com and hit the enter button. This should take you into the home screen or main screen of Trello.com. So if you're not logged in, make sure to log in. Or if you don't have an account, go and create an account. You can use Google, Apple, Microsoft, Slack if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. Of course, if you have one of those accounts. So now, as we said before, we would like to remove a member from Trello. Of course, if you go to this left panel, we'll find members, and you can go and click on that. Here, you'll be able to find all the members that you have on your workspace. Let's say, as an example, for me, I don't have any person other than me. I'm just going to invite some first. Let's say, of course, you'll be able to invite using this email address or name. I'm just going to invite, as an example, this member. So tests at someone has to have this email, I guess, test at gmail.com. Yeah, I was going to send an invite for this guy. And of course, once they accept, I can simply go and give them access to specific boards and etc. But now, let's say this is like a person that's already like accepted and stuff, and I want to remove that person from my workspace, which is from Trello. All I need to do, just go here and you'll find the remove button. Go and click on that and make sure to click on remove from workspace. As you can see, this will remove all access to the workspace. The member will remain on all of their boards, of course, in this workspace, and they will receive a notification. You can check this post to remove members from all boards as well. If you don't want to remove them from board, you can uncheck it. But for me, I'm just going to keep it checked to remove them from all the boards as well. So click on that, and they should be removed from Trello or from Workspace, which means from Trello. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.